Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to look at some Blackwalls. The other day a guy wrote me and said, hey, I got a whole bunch of stuff from my childhood and I'd like it to go to a good home. So I sent him a whole bunch of money and we're going to look at what is in the box, me and you, right now. It just showed up. They're all wrapped in toilet paper. I'll tell you what, this guy's pretty cool. And anybody who sends anything loose in the mail, you know, this is what you do. You wrap them up in toilet paper. You wrap them up in anything you possibly can. You know, these things, they've survived a childhood, you know, because they're toys, and they've got some nicks and scratches on them already. To wrap them up and keep them safe as safe as possible in shipping, you know, that's really, really important, okay? I might have said something the last time. I got a rare piece, where it's down there somewhere, a rare Hot Wheel track set from Australia. Guy sent it wrapped in paper, all right? From Australia, wrapped in paper. And, of course, I got here, it was all busted up. Hole in the box, everything else. Not happy. So, let's take a look. All right, here's the first piece. Oh, yeah.